everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete TikTok Lite account. So for that, open the TikTok Lite application. Once you open the TikTok Lite application, you need to tap on the profile on the bottom right, tap that. And there you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right, tap on it. And here you need to tap on manage account, tap that. In the manage account, at the very bottom, you will have the option of delete account. You tap that delete account. Now there's two ways how you can delete your account. To deactivate or delete account permanently. Deactivate account. If you deactivate your account can be recovered or reactivate once you log in into the account again. But once you delete it permanently, you will not be able to retrieve it again. So to delete the TikTok Lite account, tap on delete account permanently. Here you have the option to download the TikTok data for your use. If you tap on request data, you will be able to download all the details of your TikTok Lite account. If you want to, you can tap on request download and you will be provided with a mail with all the details. So to delete the account, you tap on checkbox and then tap on continue. These are few information that you need to go through before you delete your account. Your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to public. During deactivation, you can reactivate your TikTok account anytime. So you will have a 30 days time period if you want to reactivate it. But if you try to log in after 30 days, you will not be able to retrieve your account anymore as that will be permanently deleted. Tap on continue. To delete your account, you type in the password first and then tap on delete account. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Tap on delete. With this, the account deletion process will be completed and you will be logged out. So this is how you can delete your TikTok Lite account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.